Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Spigen case for the Google Pixel 3a. So it's another Spigen case, but this one's kind of different because normally I've never used the Rugged Armor series for the Spigen cases, and it's going to be a new experience for me. I'm going to test this case out a lot, and I hope I like it, which I probably will. So far, I've bought tons of Spigen cases, and I've liked all of their designs and the way they look. So there's nothing too special on the box, just normal, usual Spigen box, pretty simple. And then the easy way to open the box right there. So the reason the Pixel 3a needs a case the most is because this phone is made out of plastic, polycarbonate, and it will chip when you drop your phone. So if you drop your phone too hard, it will like chip off the sides, which you don't want to see that on your phone. So let's put that to the side. So there's the pull tab right there with all Spigen cases. Take that, and then our case right there, nothing else in the box. See? Nope, nothing else. So just a plastic bag around the case. So let's see, first impressions. So we have this carbon fiber area down here. There is like a matte finish on here, if you can hear that. And then we have our Spigen logo right there. And then we have another finish right here. It's like chiseled, I guess. It's like weird. I don't know why they have three different designs on one case. No, it'd be pretty nice if they had two designs, but like this part was carbon fiber and this part was carbon fiber. But I guess it's okay. It looks pretty nice. It still looks, when you look from far away, it looks basically the same, the carbon fiber and this part right here. So fingerprint sensor area, all the cutouts are there. The speakers, the charging port, headphone jack on top, microphone cutout, they're all there. Your camera cutout, and the buttons right here. So they have like these holes on the sides, and that's so you can click your buttons easier. And you don't feel a force like the Spigen Tough Army case I have. On that, you just have to click it a little harder, put some more force into it. But on this, you won't have to, I'm guessing. And then we have the Spigen web design inside their case, and then the air cushion technology on the side, so it protects your phone more. And then we have the Spigen logo right here, the branding thing. So the case, it feels pretty nice in the hand right now. I haven't put the phone in it yet, but overall, right now it feels pretty nice. So let's see how easy it is to put the case on. You know, just like any other case, pretty easy to put on. So the buttons, let's check out the buttons. So there is a little more force than usual, but it's still really easy to press the buttons, especially with those cutouts right there, so you can press it easier. The fingerprint sensor, you can still touch your finger to it easily. Nothing gets covered up with the case. There is like this area where it's like where it goes down like a hill. It goes steeper as you go down, so it's just easier to click the button, or at least put your finger on the button. And then the camera cutout right here is perfect. Your camera is shown perfectly. And then your camera, if you drop it on the side or like this on the back like this, nothing's gonna happen to your camera. It's perfectly fine. It's raised, so your camera's not even showing on there. And then the flashlight's protected as well. So overall, it feels pretty nice. It doesn't add too much weight to the phone. It's pretty light. I don't think it added. I don't feel a difference. Like it feels overall the same. And then I have a tempered glass screen protector, which adds a thickness to it. But even with the screen protector, as you can see, it's still raised, so it's above the screen. So if you drop it face forward like this, nothing's gonna happen. You're perfectly fine unless you get like a rock, or you're that unlucky person that drops it onto a side corner or whatever. And then the ports, they seem fine. All the cutouts are fine. And then let's check out the headphone jack. That's fine right there. So overall, this case feels pretty nice. I'm going to be testing this out for 2 weeks or so, just to see, like, I might even get what was this called? The Rugged Armor? Yeah, I might even get this Rugged Armor for my other phones and test it out on those. Because I've had the Tough Armor Ultra Hybrid, and then I had one other one, which I forgot the name for, but they were all pretty good, and this one's feeling better than them. So Spigen might have made a better case than the Tough Armor. It might not be as protective as the Tough Armor, but it will still protect your phone perfectly. So drops on the side, drop it face forward, nothing's gonna happen. So yeah, I guess that's about it. You know, pretty nice case. You should pick this up if you have a Pixel 3a or any other phone. It feels pretty nice compared to the other ones. You can check out my other case unboxings for the other phones with the other Spigen cases, and then just get an overall idea on which one you like the most. So far, this one feels the best out of all my cases. The sides are grippy. On my Ultra Hybrid case, it would always slide. Like the sides were not grippy, and my hand would just slide. The phone would just fall out of my hand. So this case so far is the best for me. And that's about it for this video, guys. Don't forget to comment down below some video ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.